Hello everyone, welcome to the sample flat of Tulip Crimson. This is located at Sector 70 SPR Road in Gurgaon. और ये शूट करने का रीज़न ये था कि जब मैंने पहली बार ये सैम्पल फ्लैट देखा था, I actually felt that the developer has taken such good care of utilizing the entire space. This is the living room, as you can see, very spacious, and that's your dining area. If you get this floor for yourself, you will get everything that you're seeing minus the furniture. Now let me show you the guest bedroom. This must be easily 13 by 10. Beautiful chandelier, everything looks so wonderful. And you will have an attached washroom in every room that you get. So the configuration of this house is 4 BHK plus a study and a servant room. But let me tell you something. The servant room is so beautiful. Let me show you only since now we are talking about it. The servant room is so big that you can actually utilize this space. Come, let's see. Please show them. So beautiful, big space that you can easily use it as an extra room for your guest or however you'd like to use it. The height of the sample floor, please come. The height of the sample floor is 12 feet. And at the price range that Tulip is selling this at is unbelievable. So if you want to know how you can get this apartment, you have to get in touch with me. This would be your kitchen. इस किचन में आपको सारे white good appliances मिलते हैं, including the refrigerator. You will get a modular kitchen. The kitchen will be exactly as it is. जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, इसी तरीके से आपको kitchen will be given to you, including white goods. Now let's go to the bedroom. This is another bedroom, again with an attached washroom, right? Every bedroom will have a wooden flooring, and you will get this as is. Now let's go to another bedroom. This is a spacious bedroom that you can use for your kids or your parents, and an attached washroom. Now I will show you the study, and then I will show you the blockbuster feature of this house, that is a master bedroom. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna love it. This is the study, a good spacious study. You can, have a studio, a study, whatever you like. And welcome to the most grand feature of this house, and personally my favorite, the master bedroom. Guys, ये इतना बड़ा है that you can easily have a reading corner, or if your wife is fond of makeup just like me, you can have a beautiful dressing area here. Huge enough space for you to chill with your spouse. A nice wall area for your TV and your console and cabinets. This area you can use as a sitting lounge for yourself and your partner. Now come, I'll show you the beautiful bathroom. Look at the bathroom. You have a jacuzzi here, big spacious bathroom. Chote bathrooms nahi. I personally want like big bathrooms, and the wardrobe is inside. You can also have your wardrobe inside to save some space in the bedroom. But space की इस घर में कोई कमी नहीं है, and I mean that. So in every house, in every flat of Tulip Crimson, you get your personal balcony, which would be 6 feet by 12 feet. So this is how the balcony looks. I'm just showing you around. You also have your utility here, and you also get dryer along this house. बहुत सारे डेवलपर्स, बड़े बड़े डेवलपर्स घर तो देते हैं, बट आई थिंक अपार्टमेंट्स में सबसे ज्यादा जो कंप्लेन होती है सबकी, वो होती है कि स्पेस नहीं होता. एंड द क्लाइंट्स ऑलवेज से कि घर छोटा है, सारा दिन हम लोग बाहर थोड़ा देखेंगे पाम ट्रीज पे या क्लब में, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्टे. सो इफ यू आर ऑल्सो समबडी हु इज फॉन्ड ऑफ बिग स्पेसेस एंड a 5 BHK at a cost of 4, this could be your dream home. If you want to know how you can get, one of these apartments for yourself, call me on the number given below or get in touch with me. Thank you.